This is a beautiful 1969 Camaro Z11 Indy 500 Pacecar convertible. Beautiful white paint with orange stripes and great interior. And emblazoned on the side of the car is the Indy 500 Pacecar, 1969. I love the houndstooth upholstery on these cars. I've only videoed one other 1969 Camaro, Z11 Indy 500. So this is great to see another one. Automatic transmission, 350 cubic inch engine. Everything in perfect condition, really. And this one happens to be for sale. And this is very interesting. It was painted nearly 30 years ago. So bravo to whoever painted it. Certainly did a great job. And of course in the front here we have the disappearing headlights. I always like the grille on these. Very, very cool looking. Going the width of the car. Now here is the information about being the Pacecar and the for sale sign with the phone number. Now how much it is, I don't know. Very nice indeed.